Where does the cracking take place? I don't see anything cracking when you put it back. What is
Right.
And are we cracking?
We're not cracking. That's a common misnomer. We crack the spine or pop the spine. It's not a case at all. These little joints here are wrapped with lots of soft tissue. When they get out of alignment, they get a little air bubble in there, nitrogen gas air bubble.
Gotcha.
When we put them back in place, that pops that little bubble.
Okay.
Kind of like popping a blister.
I
So
see.
that's the pop that you hear.
So you don't want that bubble in there, is what you're saying.
Don't want the bubble in there.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
That's cool. So that's cool. So when I hear about people cracking their backs, it's not. There's nothing bad. That's
I get on a soapbox with that. I don't like popping your back or cracking your back. So the profession has gotten kind of, it's gotten kind of fun about it, and they've gotten lazy about it, but it's not where I'd want it to be. So we do an alignment or a chiropractic adjustment.